LCD replacement and RAM upgrade on Acer Aspire EY314 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Kareem, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The customer's decision to replace the LCD and upgrade to a Kingston 8GB RAM on their Acer Aspire 314 laptop is a well-considered and cost-effective step toward improving the performance and usability of their device. Over time, laptop screens can develop issues such as flickering dimness, dead pixels, or complete display failure, which significantly affects productivity and the overall user experience. Replacing the LCD restores full visual functionality, ensuring clear, vibrant display output that makes working, studying, or browsing more comfortable and efficient. In addition to the screen replacement, upgrading the laptop's memory to 8GB of Kingston DDR4 RAM brings substantial improvements in system responsiveness. The Acer Aspire A314 typically comes with limited memory, which can quickly become a bottleneck when multitasking or using modern applications. By expanding the RAM, the customer enables the system to handle more background processes, open more tabs, or programs simultaneously, and experience fewer slowdowns and lags. Together, the LCD replacement and RAM upgrade breathe new life into the laptop, making it more capable, efficient, and enjoyable to use without the high cost of purchasing a new device. At PTT IT Solutions, we are proud to deliver reliable service that helps customers get the most out of their existing hardware. LCD replacement and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and RAM upgrade to follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.